Hey y'all, it's Emmelie Cruz, your virtual marketing mentor, and today I want to talk to you about Facebook bots. If you follow me on Instagram, have been to my website lately, or even connected with me on Facebook, you've probably noticed that I've been using Facebook bots. Are you done, sis? Come on. Come on. I ain't got time to fight with you. Sit down. You've probably noticed that I've been using Facebook bots to automate a lot of my communication. It's really overwhelming when you get the same questions and people ask for the same links and the same things over and over and over again. When your DMs or your inbox is getting bombarded with a lot of the same requests from different people. So I actually created a Facebook bot to help me with that communication and take the load off of me. So whether I'm sleeping or busy, recording videos, doing my thing as a business owner, people can get those immediate responses to their questions and what they're looking for. So I wanted to share when and why a Facebook bot is good for your business and the 3 scenarios that you can use them in. The first one is when your emails are not being delivered, whether that's, it's going to the updates folder or the promotions folder in Gmail, whether people are just not opening it, or, you're not very good at writing subject lines and things like that. If email is just not working for your business, a Facebook bot might be a good option because the Facebook bot eliminates the clutter of email inboxes and take you directly to the customer in Facebook Messenger. So now, instead of you having to hope that they check your email and that they see it, among all the Macy's and Express and bank emails and all of the things that they got going on up in there, you're really able to cut through the clutter and get straight to the point and straight to the source in Facebook Messenger. Another place or another reason why you would want to use Facebook bots is if you have people to hold accountable. I'm actually doing a November Go Live challenge right now, and that's being hosted on Facebook Messenger. Why? Because I don't want to send email after email every single day to somebody. I can shoot straight into their Messenger inbox, let them know their prompt, let them know what they need to know, and send them on their merry way. So it's a great way to hold people accountable and also a way for you to be able to eliminate check-in emails and prompt emails during challenges. Moving right along. The last reason that you want to use a Facebook bot is to fight the algorithm. Facebook bots actually have a feature where you can share follow-up messages, you can create sequences, you can do broadcast and announcement messages. Now, you cannot abuse this, but it definitely gives you the option. So if you're feeling like, again, Instagram isn't working, you aren't popping up in people's feeds, like you just cannot beat the algorithm, then a Facebook bot might be a great alternative, because again, now instead of you hoping that people see your stuff on their timeline, you can directly send them your stuff into their messenger. So you can send it to them. For example, you can set up a YouTube RSS feed, so whenever you publish a YouTube video, it automatically gets sent to all the people subscribed to your bot. Anytime you publish a blog post, it automatically sends out a blast to all of the people who are signed up with your bot. And the cool thing about this is you can set up the notifications so it doesn't beep or show up on their screen or bother them. It'll just be in there waiting on Facebook Messenger when they log back in. So you can avoid being annoying and using push notifications, but still be able to get in front of your audience when necessary and when needed. So this is a great way to, again, replace trying to send out newsletters every week or trying to, get people to click the link in your bio on Instagram and allow them to consume your content when they're already on Facebook, where they're already scrolling down a feed, already looking for information, and already, let's be real, wasting time, right? So a Facebook bot is really a great way like I said, to manage and handle all of that crazy communication that comes in as a business owner, to promote your content in a new way that beats the algorithm and gets in front of people's faces, a way to also beat, that spam and promotions tab and all that stuff on Gmail that doesn't allow your emails to be open or seen. And then also it allows you to be in constant communication with a group of people and not have all of your emails get lost in an inbox. If you're interested in building your own Facebook bot, I have a masterclass that I teach showing you how to actually set up your Facebook bot for all of these different scenarios. So if you're definitely interested in starting up, if you're interested in getting one going, you can do it in as little as 60 minutes. In as little as an hour, you can have your Facebook bot up, running, and ready to go. All you have to do is sign up for my masterclass, and I'll show you how. Just click the link down below to get signed up. See you soon. Bye, y'all.